Hello, hello. I'm Nina with Sparkling Martini Crafts, and if you're joining me right now, it's because we're about to make this lovely succulent card. And yes, I do have on a shirt to match this occasion. What's great about this card is that you can make this pot look however you want it. If you want this purple flower over here, this one in the back, you can do so, and it's going to be special because you designed it. It also has a cool little bit of a 3D effect with some of them towards the back while the others are in the front. But you know, with a lot of things, it's the inside that counts. So on the inside, isn't that cute? I thought it was so cute. I can't wait to get into this card with you, but if it's your first time here, this is actually a craft kit. So you can find this on sparklingmartinicrafts.com, and you can also follow my IG page at sparklingmartini_crafts, or find me on Facebook at Sparkling Martini Crafts. So if you remember that, then you can probably find me on Google. But either way, I look forward to you joining me. And if you're back again, hello again. I look forward to doing this, and I look forward to seeing your designs. So without further ado, let's get into this lovely craft. First things first, let's talk about your craft kit. You'll have your inside message, your plants, you'll have your decorative pot, and you'll also have your base card. Some supplies you'll need: a glue stick and Mod Podge, some glitter. Yours will come in the kit, but you can use your own. Don't get it all over yourself. Scissors. A few of the optional items you'll need are tape and a tray for your glue or your Mod Podge. Now let's start creating the plant pot. So you'll see your rim piece and your soil piece. Turn your rim piece over so that you see the back side, and then we're going to go ahead and tape the soil piece down. You can also use glue, but I found that tape was a little easier. Doesn't need to be perfect because it's going to be glued down to the pot eventually anyways, but go ahead and tape it down to secure it. And then if you have any additional pieces, you can use your scissors to trim anything. Now that both pieces are secured, let's go ahead and glue it down. Just take your decorative piece of your pot. On the widest end, you're going to glue the rim that has the soil attached to it. So now you should have a completed pot. So here's another fun option. I like to go ahead and take my color pencils and shade it to look like more realistic, and then it also just gives it a little more depth. It's glitter time. Now we're going to take some Mod Podge or some glue, put it in the tray, and then you're going to only apply the glue to the soil area. Go ahead and stick a piece of paper under your pot to catch any loose glitter, and sprinkle on some glitter onto that area. Perfect. I like to seal the glitter in with a little bit more Mod Podge, and then you set it to dry for about 5 minutes. Once this piece dries, we're going to attach it to the base card. You may notice a gap at the top, and that's fine. That's for the flowers later. Use Mod Podge or your glue stick to glue this piece down. Try to line it up on the base card as best as possible, but if there's any crazy edges, you can go ahead and cut it with scissors later. Now let's start the inside. So take that message piece, "I'm a sucker for you," and we're going to put it on its border, which is another larger circle. So you're going to glue it down, eyeball it, no measurements here, and just press it in the center. Now take that combined piece and put it on the inside of the card. I like to put it on the side where the decorative pot was. You're going to eyeball it again, press it in, voila, and now we have our card. And finally, the funnest part, let's get creative with these plants. Move them around a little bit, plan, and make sure that you work from back to front, filling in that gap that we spoke about earlier. You'll only need a glue stick or a little bit of Mod Podge to accomplish this. Only glue where necessary on the back of the plant. Now I'm going to glue things down. You can see where I'm putting them, but we don't have to have the same design. I look forward to seeing yours. And voila, this card is done. It's cute, it stands, it's a great gift or decoration. Thank you so much. I want to see your designs. Go ahead and tag me on social media or visit my website, sparklingmartinicrafts.com. Until next time.